So hello friends, in today's video I'll share a script with you. So basically we will get the available AD groups from the PowerShell. The server is on-premises server. So basically in our on-premises AD server, we will get the available AD groups. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to import the module. So the command is import module is Active Directory. So the module is already installed in this, so I'm not going to import it again. So to get the AD groups, we have to use get AD group. Then we have to use the filter like this, and we have to use the property. And properties group scope. Then we have to use group category. We have to use the pipe sign to filter this. Then use select object is name group scope and group category. Then use the pipe sign again and use format table is auto size. So this is the command. This PowerShell command will get the all the available uh, groups from the AD server and show the result here. So let me just run the command and show you the result as well. So you can see the groups are here. For some security reasons, I'll hide this data because I don't want to show the my AD groups to everyone. So just want to show you that the command is working fine and we can get the list of the Active Directory groups here.